Hello guys, my name is Zakir and I welcome all of you in this session. Today we are going to discuss about MITM attack, man in the mirror attack. So without any further intro, let's have a look of today's agenda. Firstly, we'll discuss about what basically man in the mirror attack is. Then we'll discuss about how MITM attack works. After that, we'll discuss about different types of MITM attacks. And at the end, we'll discuss about how to protect yourself from MITM attacks. So let's start with a simple definition of MITM attack. MITM attack is a form of cyber eavesdropping attack in which an attacker inserts himself in a conversation between a user and an application, either to eavesdrop or to impersonate on the parties, making it appear as if a normal exchange of information is underway. The goal of an attacker is to steal personal information such as login credentials, account details, and credit card numbers. Information obtained during an attack could be used for many purposes, which includes money stealing, identity theft, and password change. Broadly speaking, a MITM attack is the equivalent of a mailman opening your bank statement, writing down your account details, and then reselling the envelope and delivering it to your home. So this is what MITM attack is in brief. Now let's see how MITM attack works. In normal communication, a person is directly connected with a server. A TCP connection is created between a person and a server. In MITM attack, an attacker inserts himself between the person and a server and steals all information. Here the attacker spoofs the IP address of the server by claiming to be the actual server, as you can see in the diagram. As a result, any request sent from the person to the server will always go through the attacker, and he may be change the request and you get the completely different response. In many cases, attacker may redirect you to the completely different site or maybe change your request. So this is how MITM attack works. Now let's discuss about types of MITM attack. There are different types of MITM attacks, which includes email hijacking. Attackers gain access to a user's email account and watch transactions from the account. When the time is right, for instance, the user is exchanging funds with another party. The attacker takes advantage of this situation by attempting to intercept the funds by spoofing one or all members of the conversation. Wi-Fi hijacking. This is the most common and simplest way of doing MITM attack. The attacker first makes free malicious Wi-Fi hotspot available to the public, typically named in a way that corresponds to their location. These Wi-Fis are not password protected. Once victim connects to such a hotspot, the attacker gains full visibility to any online data exchange. Session hijacking. Session hijacking is when an attacker gains access to an online session by stolen browser cookies. DNS spoofing. Domain name server. An attacker engages in DNS spoofing by altering a website address record within a DNS. A victim unknowingly visits the fake site and the attacker will attempt to steal their information. So these are some common types of MITM attack. Now let's see how to prevent MITM attacks. Here are some methods to protect yourself from MITM attacks. Implement a comprehensive email security solution. An email security solution is a vital tool in an organization's security that will help minimize the risks associated with MITM. Educate yourself and your employees in cybersecurity. Making training relevant to the employee is the key of training effectiveness. Prepare your workforce for these advanced attacks by educating them on the dynamics and frequency of attack methods attempted on other organizations. Keep credentials secure. Check your user credentials often. Make sure your passwords are secure, complex, and updated after every 3 months. Avoid Wi-Fi connections that are not password protected and always try to use your own network. Immediately logging out of a secure application when it is not in use. So these are some methods to protect your organization from MITM attacks. That's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Crash4 for more informative videos related to technology, ethical hacking, and cybersecurity. See you next time. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.